Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS Zenfone 9 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to enter about phone and find the build number, which will actually allow us to turn on the developer options. Here we've got the build number, but unfortunately here it does not work. So let's scroll down to find the software information, and as you can see, the build number is also right here. So basically all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. This mode is locked with your current screen lock, so the pattern pin or password, whatever you've got, just enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, right now we are in the developer mode, so now we have to go back in order to actually find the developer options. As you can see, after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will appear right here, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can turn off the activities, so your device will destroy every activity as soon as you will leave it. You can change, for example, the window animation scale. You can show surface updates, pointer location. Here you've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and overall to networking, because here you've got also the USB configuration, you've got the Wi-Fi options. So as you can see, a lot of options. And basically, if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. The same situation in other options. In the case that you've got this option without the switcher, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options and if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on the switcher at the very top. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, not all of them, but most. And after getting back to the system, the developer options will disappear from the system list. So, but of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. I have no idea why we've got this music. So basically that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your ASUS Zenfone 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.